Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a way to convert videos and audios to text completely free of charge and with high accuracy. To do this, I use a website that supports 15 different languages, and this site uses artificial intelligence to do this for us. One of the advantages of this site is security and ease of use, and you are not required to download any software to convert video and audio to text. Additionally, there is no need to register an account, and you do not see advertisements. When transcribing your video or audio is done, all our data will be deleted from the site's servers. Let's do this. There is a video and I want to convert this video to text. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Temporary internet center or click. I open my browser and enter the website address restream.io/tools. To convert video to text, click the video transcription button, and to convert audio to text, click the audio transcription button. And now click the Choose File button to upload. Click on Transcribe to start uploading and converting the video to text. And finally, click on Download to get the output file. As you can see, the video was converted to text. Converting audio to text is exactly similar to the steps we did, but in the first step, you need to click the audio transcription button. Let's now convert an audio file to text. As you can see, the audio was also converted to text. I hope this video is useful for you.